brush, okay?
Okay.
عادي normal with brush.
Okay.
الحين أنا أسوي.
So how to clean espresso machine I will show. My teacher, she's making very well. How to clean this one? First of all, have to wash this inside water filter.
This one
Okay.
you can open but ما في هذا scrub.
Okay.
يعني أنت open هذا كويس زيادة تنظيف.
Okay. This one.
بس it's okay ما في خلي.
Now already clean. That's why no need clean. But I will show this one. Okay. So now this one. Oh, strong. Too much knowledge.
Then one spoon.
Okay. Now this chemical one spoon. We have to use 1 spoon. This chemical. What's the name? This chemical?
Machine powder.
Machine powder. Okay, space machine powder. So now I have to put inside.
Close.
Close. Good.
هنا يبغى كل
Yes.
جروب لحاله.
Yes.
تمسم هذا بعدين هذا يجي نضيف كله.
Okay. All chemical coming here.
هذا close بعدين press this one together.
Together to press.
شوف هنا clear.
Yes. Now cleaning.
يجي.
Side. Yes.
Two time finish بعدين again.
1 minute.
Yes.
So this is the procedure. Any people who want to clean this one, you can like this, no problem. Only this chemical use, not another.
الحين chemical.
Okay. No.
هذا finish again water. just
Okay. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to use chemical, and again we have to use also only regular basic water. This is the procedure. So I hope you are understand how to clean this one espresso machine.
100.
100 ml. Okay, 100 ml water and this one chemical. Okay.
15 ملي.
Okay, 15 milli we have to use for cleaning steamer. Okay.
Open this one then press.
Okay, automatic coming. Okay, so you can check 25 ml.
أيوة تقريبا.
Now we will mix this water. Now we have to wash steamer. This is the simple way.
كله هذا بعدين يروح. هذا
Okay.
كله
Now I show you
كله يجي بعدين.
inside going. Same like we have to clean, no problem. This is the steamer clean.
شوف كله يجي.
Now check. Clean is good. Now is clean. So this is the procedure. We have to use this chemical for steamer cleaner. Okay. So thank you so much. I hope you understand how to clean steamer.